Welcome to the Gardena Parks and Recreation Master Plan Workshop 2 video. My name is Zachary Meading, and I'll guide you through this presentation.
The purpose of the Parks and Recreation Master Plan is to develop a guide or an implementation tool for the successful management and development of parks and recreation facilities within the city. Most importantly, this guide is based on local community needs. It offers recommendations specific to the community of Gardena. The process is based on 5 steps. First, the inventory of existing conditions, extensive community outreach and engagement, needs analysis, recommendations, and funding and implementation.
The project will take approximately 11 months to complete, beginning in April of 2023 and concluding in March of 2024. The beginning of the process starts with that inventory, looking at the existing conditions. You can see where we are today with workshop number 2. Then, after all the community outreach is collected, we'll go through our reporting phase and then final presentations at the end.
Previous existing documents that we'll go through include the City of Gardena General Plan, existing open space elements, land use, zoning maps, as well as any previous studies. One of the elements we look at are the existing demographics for the City of Gardena. In 2022, population was just above 61,000. You can see the different age breakdowns on the right, with 38% of the residents being between the age of 35 to 64. As we go through the inventory of parks and facilities, we see there are several recreation elements available to the community, including 1 parkette, 6 parks with community buildings, 2 skate parks, 2 gymnasiums, the Willows Wetland Preserve, Community Center, and new buildings under construction, including an aquatic center as well as a senior center. Additionally, when we look at the inventory of parks and facilities, we compare that on a mapping analysis tool, where we compare the land use, where residents live, as well as the parks, to see the intersection between people and parks.
Looking at the inventory of programs, we see there are a myriad of options that people can use to take part within the programming elements. Programs such as after-school programs, adult and youth sports, aquatics, classes, including dance and gymnastics, day camps, rental of facilities, senior programs and services, special events, teen programs, as well as therapeutic recreation programs.
After reviewing all of the inventory and existing conditions and programs that are available, we reach out to the community in an extensive community engagement effort. Elements such as a dedicated project website with feedback capabilities, stakeholder interviews, community workshops, as well as a statistically valid multimodal survey are all tools in which we will go out to the community to hear your voice.
Workshop number 1 was conducted on August 17th, 2023 from 6 to 8 at the Nakaoka Community Center. The in-person workshop also was followed by a commencement video presentation for the online survey for that workshop number 1. We had approximately 183 total surveys completed as part of this outreach effort. You can see by the map on the left, we had an equal distribution of residents across the entire community. During this workshop event, we asked questions such as, what are the most important community characteristics? What are the issues or trends that may be negatively impacting those community characteristics? And what role can Recreation and Human Services Department play to address those issues? What we heard from the participants was those most important community characteristics include safety, low crime, police, community events, community activities, friendly community, good neighborhoods, diversity, the location, and the environment. Issues or trends that may be negatively impacting those important community characteristics include crime, safety, bad areas, police, enforced curfew, lighting, homeless, maintenance upgrades, neglected areas, cleanliness, parking and parking lots. What role can Recreation and Human Services Department play in addressing these issues? Items we heard by the participants include marketing, communications, collaboration with park experts and nonprofits, enhancing safety, enhancing police, surveillance, and reducing crime, community events, increased activities, programs, and services, cleanliness, graffiti removal, improving parks, bettering parks, and the community environment, as well as more green spaces, increased trees, nature, public facilities for outdoor activities.
At any point in time, you can visit the project website by going to thecityofgardena.org/masterplan. This is a dedicated project portal where we'll share information as we develop it, including some of the inventory, community outreach. You have a community voice section. There's a feedback button on there you can click to share any thoughts and ideas you may have directly with the design planning team.
I encourage you to take the survey for Workshop 2. Click the link below or go to cityofgardena.org/masterplan. Workshop 2 survey will be available from September 28th through October 12th. Help us shape the future of Gardena. Attend the workshops, take the surveys, as well as have your unique feedback heard by clicking or scanning the QR code. Thank you for watching this video presentation. I look forward to hearing your thoughts and ideas on the future of Parks and Recreation in the City of Gardena.